much for a very interesting talk. I mean, people now start realizing other things that can be done with optical fibers, right?
Yes, absolutely.
So can you please give us the highlights of the main takeaways of your talk this morning?
So, what we've shown is that fiber can be used very well for sensing. It's been used for many years. So specifically now the idea is trying to use telecoms fiber because it's so ubiquitous that it will be used for sensing. And there are a number of applications growing, for example, sensing temperature on overhead cables, sensing for drones, for example, or vibration, and this can be used to check whether someone might be breaking the fiber cable, but also for environmental application, to look at traffic or the seabed temperature and so on. So I think, and that's growing, but really the really interesting thing is that is the challenge of trying to integrate sensing completely into a fiber optic communication system. And that's because, again, it's so ubiquitous that you really could sense anywhere from anywhere else. And again, after that, the next step is that I know there is integrated sensing and communication, but normally it tends to be on the wireless side. But I think the real integration comes when you merge the fiber sensing, which is mostly the underground or some overheads, with the wireless sensing, and especially then even with the mobile drones type of sensing, which can really give you a full picture, so with no blind spots of the sensing. I think that's a really interesting thing, and I think the EU can do a lot, with the EU Commission proposals and open calls.
So many opportunities will be opened by these holistic view of the sensing with all the communication systems.
Yeah, I hope that the talk helped to open this position more.
Definitely. Thank you very much. Thank you. It was a
pleasure.
Thank you.